Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials so you don't stall later. A modern browser and stable internet, plus optional Git if you'll submit code. Once signed in, choose a focused learning path that matches your goal and set a realistic daily cadence. 20 to 40 minutes works well. You'll also create a simple project goal to apply lessons. This immediate action gets momentum and explains why alignment between tools, time, and target matters for steady progress. You now dive into the core workflow. Follow lessons, do interactive exercises, and tackle quizzes to confirm understanding. Make sure to use the in-browser editor to run tests and inspect errors. Read hints only when you're genuinely stuck so you learn debugging. Once you finish a module, immediately build a mini project to consolidate skills and, if comfortable, commit changes with Git. This combination of deliberate practice and incremental projects, you wrap up by finishing the capstone or final project and documenting your design decisions and outcomes. This shows employers and reinforces learning. Once done, review any weak topics using replays, notes, and spaced repetition so knowledge becomes durable. If exercises fail unexpectedly, try common fixes. Clear cache, disable extensions, restart the editor, or retry the lesson in a new tab. If problems persist, contact support with screenshots and steps taken. That targeted info speeds resolution and gets you back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.